Hi, so you're looking for a good Bluetooth earphone. Recently I have been getting this question, which one is the best Bluetooth earphone for around 1500 rupees? Well, that's easy. The difficult part is finding a Bluetooth earphone with good audio quality, good microphone quality, and if you can play games like PUBG on that. Hey guys, this is Raj. Welcome to my channel. I have been testing 6 Bluetooth earphones for the past few days, and maybe at the end of this video, you can decide which one to go for. Okay, wait, I have a basic question for you. What do you guys do if you cannot connect your Bluetooth earphone? Think. Well, I don't know about you guys, but I repair them. So these are the Bluetooth earphones that I have been testing, and to make it simpler, I have divided this review into 6 categories. The build quality of the Sony WI-C200 earphones and the JBL T205 are pretty good. The boat Rockerz looks and feels great in hand, but I just like the way the Realme Buds wireless are designed. Every earphone has a dedicated button to pair, but you don't need one for the Realme earphones. Like this, it cannot be paired. Pull it out and it is ready to be paired. Again, it cannot be paired. Pull it out, ready to be paired. I just don't like the cheap design of the Mi Sports earphone and the absurd size of the Mivi Thunderbeats. Comfort wise, I like the boat Rockerz and the Realme Buds wireless just because of the flexible neckband design and the in-ear style. Personally, I don't like the style of the JBL T205 earbuds as I cannot wear them for more than 15 to 20 minutes as my ears pain. But I'm pretty sure most of you guys are comfortable with these kind of earphones. Moving to the third category, the Bluetooth connectivity of the Sony WI-C200 earphones are pretty good, but the range is bad. I got pairing issues when I connected the boat Rockerz for the first time. Also, the Bluetooth range is not good in this case. After continuously testing and moving from one room to another, I could say the JBL T205 and the Realme Buds wireless had the best range and connectivity from all these earphones. Now the most important feature, audio quality. If you listen to music a lot and you're searching for the best Bluetooth earphone which has got the best audio quality, I'm sorry to say you'll not like any of these. The bass of the boat Rockerz is enhanced and you'll just not like the way it changes the original soundtrack. The Mivi Thunderbeats and the Mi Sports earphones also did not impress me. I'll just prefer this 400 rupees Mi basic earphones over any of these earphones. I will also not choose the Realme Buds wireless in terms of audio quality, even though it is not at all bad. Don't get me wrong, I have been living with a Sennheiser CX180 and probably that's the reason I don't like any of these earphones. But if you ask me to choose one, I'll go with the JBL T205. It sounds pretty good as compared to the other earphones. Yes, it has got a decent bass and you'll just like the way it sounds. The bass is good, the treble is good, the music is good, but it has its disadvantages too, which takes me to the next point, microphone. To test the microphone quality, I made normal calls, WhatsApp calls and Skype for business calls using all these earphones. I did not like the microphones in Mi Sports and the Sony C200. They have a shrillness which makes the other person irritated easily. I don't like the placement of the mic in the JBL T205 which can rub with the caller and the other party can hear unwanted noise. So if you're taking calls with the JBL earphone, you need to keep your head stable so that it will not rub and create noise for the other person. The microphone quality of the Mivi Thunderbeats is surprisingly good and the placement of the mic is also close to your mouth. If you're looking for an earphone with good microphone quality and which has the best background noise suppression, then boat Rockerz is the one to go for. The microphone quality is good and the background noise suppression is excellent. Coming to the Realme Buds wireless, the background noise suppression is not as good as the boat Rockerz, but the microphone quality is just awesome. Also, if you are in public and you want to say something in private to the other person in call, then this earphone can even pick your whispers and the other person will have no difficulty in hearing it. Coming to the last category, gaming. Now I play PUBG and I use a wide earphone, so there's no sound lag. I tested all these Bluetooth earphones and I could say there is delay in response. Starting with the Realme Buds Wireless, it is the worst earphone in terms of gaming. It has the highest sound lag. Let me give you an example. While playing PUBG, if you walk and after taking the second step, you could hear the sound of the first step. That's bad. Now I have tested all these earphones, and apart from the Realme Buds Wireless, the others you can use them to play games. So which one you are going for? Let me know in the comments below. If you're still confused, let me make it easier for you. If audio quality is your highest priority and you need a good amount of bass and can live with the design of the JBL, then go for the T205. If you want decent audio quality, a great microphone and good looking Bluetooth earphone, go for the Realme Buds Wireless. If you're tight on budget, you are more of a bass lover and you want a microphone with the best background noise cancellation, go for the Boat Rockerz. For PUBG, I would recommend to use a wide earphone. But if you want me to choose one from these Bluetooth earphones, you can go for JBL, Sony or Mi Sports, but not the Realme Buds Wireless. I hope this helps. If you liked this video, give a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.